Now, basically, part four just ask us to do the journal entries. I would have preferred to do the journal entries as we were doing. And this first event that happened, it was that this company borrowed money for $200,000. That's first event, economic event. Second thing is there was before the end of the year, we had to accrue interest, interest expense, which three belonged to 2015, right? So we had to do that. And then third is when we pay off this on January 30th, pay off the loan and the related interest expenses is will be done on the January 30th. So let's do these journal entries. Okay, so first thing was when we borrowed money. When we borrowed money on November 1st, the journal entry will be, of course, good cash. Cash is coming in, which is the original amount of the loan. That's the exact principal we borrowed. Okay, if we paid if it was an interest-free loan, we would have paid on January 30th exact 200,000, and there was no interest expense. That means no talk about, we don't even have to talk about interest expense. But interest is part of the passage of time of borrowing this money. So we gonna take that expenses in the right time frame, because we borrowed that money during those times, and we that's how we earn money as part of the production, as part of the process, right? So earning process, the cash debit. So and then the other entry will be our notes payable, right? 200,000. That's the exact loan. This entry will just impact the balance sheet. It won't even go to income statement, because there's no earning process. We haven't talked about it. But when the time has passage with the passage of time on December 31st, that's where it comes as an accountant. We start thinking, okay, how can we get the earning process right? That's where we realize, hey, we got interest expense. We were using somebody else's money to earn money, right, in our company. And there was an interest being charged. That interest is part of the time frame in that period. We better expense it. So December 31st will be an interest expense. I'm going to do it in the next video.